Video diary, page 1. How did the trip go? Pay attention. And everything okay with the boat? No, it's excellent. We have a lot of room on it. We're gonna have a tour between the islands. There's not too much wind as usual on the Met. That's not that important. We take a quiet break here, a nice holiday. And up to the next page on the diary. And what did we do last night? I mean, where did we sleep? We dropped our anchor on an island called Unje. It's a very quiet place, no cars, very silent. For the third year now we choose Croatia as our sailing destination. It's very sheltered sailing and you can do highland topping. That means you find sheltered anchorages at 2 hours sailing. And we had good wind today. Yes, especially the last part. We had a good breeze to find this place here. And I think we're gonna get some thunderstorm. This was downwind, and this very last part we had to go against the wind. Most places offer anchor buoys. It's a good idea because anchor ground can be difficult. And dropping your own hook will cost you also 10 euros. Unfortunately, you only take the garbage, no showers or toilets. We're almost in Zadar. We're gonna do some shopping and get some fresh water. And this evening we'll have dinner over there. Zadar is one of the major cities along the coast and offers excellent shopping in the big supermarkets. On the islands you find those small markets, but more than a beer, a sausage and a bread is not available in the shops. Nicole, can you start the engine because there's a ferry coming and could be a close encounter. Yeah, what does it mean? Just look around. We're flying full colors, heading for the Croatian Islands, one of the major and most beautiful nature reserves in Croatia. Day trippers are visiting on a daily basis those beautiful isles. But after 5 p.m. the sailors have open water for themselves. We're sailing an Elan 333, which is a very nice boat because it has good sailing potential, also in light winds. It's built and designed in Slovenia. These are the Cornatis, aren't they? We're on the edge of the Croatian Isles. This is a national nature reserve. You have to pay 100 euros to lay on your own anchor, but I presume the money is well spent. That's Captain Nicole in action. And you see that net? Yes, of course. What do you think? Yes, it didn't hold, and that meant all hands on deck. On a daily basis we sail about 20 to 50 miles. Very often we take a break at noon. We choose our sailing destination regarding to the wind. We hate sailing against the wind. Even at the smallest islands, ferries bring tourists to those destinations. Also, water is very often provided by ships. In contrast to our cold and grey North Sea, this water is beautifully blue or green and has a very nice temperatures, so even the greatest koukleun gets into the water. Calmness and tranquility are one of the most appealing things of the Isles. You'll find beautiful old Mediterranean houses. They are waiting to be restored into exclusive holiday houses. There's nothing what looks like an island, like another island, but thanks to GPS and digital maps, navigation is made very simple. When you're sailing closer to the mainland, you see the high mountains rising over 1,400 meters. You have to pay attention for the Bora, which is a fierce storm wind. We're heading for the Isle of Rap and the town Rap. It's a very old historic city, which is very touristic. We don't head for the expensive and busy marina, but drop our anchor in the excellent sheltered bay. On a daily basis, we use our ham radio to contact our Belgian friends. They give us an updated weather report. You can see for yourself that the weather is not always that good. We're on the run for a thunderstorm. Up to now the wind was not too strong, but it can come very rapidly and may knock us down, so we said safety first and heading for the marina. We just need to go for 3 miles and we're in the safety of the harbor. You can see for yourself we did survive the thunderstorm. We arrived safe and well. We dropped our anchor and the sun is back again. Also, Chris is a typical postcard-style holiday destination. A sailboat is the ideal tool to explore this beautiful coast. And now our holiday is going to an end. We're back in Pula, Veruda Marina, because the weather forecast was not that good. So we decided to pack 1 day early. Normally, in 1.5 hours, we're heading home again.